Hello and welcome. Project Affordable Photography will take place during the spring semester of 2015 between January 20th and May 9th. Thank you for watching and welcome to the presentation of my project plan. Throughout this presentation, I'll introduce you to the business currently known as Affordable Photography. I'll explain my project plan proposal for this business, include the necessary requirements, and review the work breakdown structure as it relates to the critical success factors for the overall project plan. Affordable Photography is a startup company that specializes in capturing memorable moments for special events like weddings, engagements, and graduations. Their biggest issue or problem, though, is that these businesses are often viewed as being inexperienced or unprofessional due to the lack of online presence that's absolutely necessary in promoting this professional feel. This image right here is currently the website that the business owner is working with, and as you can see, it's a little outdated, has that unprofessional feel, not to mention that it's unresponsive, which means that you cannot view it on a tablet or a mobile device. Another huge part of this issue is that Affordable Photography has no dedicated social platforms. My proposal for this project is to create a responsive website that accurately reflects the creative agenda of this business and one that'll be easy for the owner to manage once the project is complete. I will also create a dedicated Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram account to incorporate a much-needed social media campaign in order to garner awareness, promote specials, secure brand advocates, and more importantly, become successful through website sales. The requirements for the project will include a website with a clean look and a clear hierarchy of content and information. The content will consist mostly of still images and albums. It will be tentatively created through WordPress or GoDaddy and hosted by Bluehost. Each page will contain relevant features like guest registration and reviews, along with any written or media-related content provided by the owner. The e-commerce or retail page will list all products and packages all on one page. The products are going to be separated from the packages through placement at the bottom of the page and even as an option during checkout. PayPal will be used for all purchases. The website will be integrated with Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Links to each site will also be provided for the users as an option to share this content on their own social platforms as well. Google Analytics, Hootsuite, and social media listening tools will be used to track site and social metrics along with the overall success rate of the campaign. The work breakdown structure consists of 6 phases, which include research, planning, production, testing, implementation, and conclusion. So, let's take a brief look at each. The research phase consists of reviewing and choosing a responsive template that's a perfect fit for representing the business, finding and purchasing a domain name, collecting all collateral material, which includes any media or written materials from the owner, and creating a social media campaign that aligns with the business's needs. The planning phase consists of choosing layouts for all 5 pages, along with appropriate functions, relevant content, both written and multimedia, creating an inventory list for the e-commerce page, and outlining a social media strategy. The production phase consists of creating all written content for the 5 web pages, uploading multimedia content, adding functions and features, initiating e-commerce, uploading product images and descriptions to the products page, creating and personalizing social media platforms, integrating social media platforms into the website, setting up Google Analytics and Hootsuite accounts for campaign measurements, and creating social media calendar for all platforms. For the testing phase, I'll create testing questions and activities in order to ensure that all sites and social spaces are working correctly. I'll perform the tests and record all results. Then I'll analyze the data and make any change recommendations gleaned from those results. Now, for this phase, I'll make any necessary changes as previously stated from the usability testing, inspecting each web page and social site for completion and accuracy, deploy all website files to the server and publish them to the internet. Then I'll go live with the website and re-inspect. I'll also add social media content at this point from the calendar to the designated platforms and website through things like tweets and posts. And I'll view and record any benchmark data from social media listening tools. And finally, implement the social media campaign through content creation via the content calendar. I'll do this along with daily updates on social sites and frequent website updates as well. At the conclusion of the campaign, I'll record and analyze all data metrics via Google Analytics, Hootsuite, and social media listening tools. Once I've received all pertinent information, I'll create a report that reflects the overall success factors of the project. Thank you very much.